Hi, my name is Armando Mota. I'm the CEO of Digidelta. Digidelta is a manufacturer and an integrator of technology for the visual communication industry, for the label industry, and for the decoration industry as well. We have more than 37 years experience in these industries. We have, and we still have 4 coating lines, and we have a big challenge because up to that time all the real defects they were just checked by personnel and instead by a machine. So we checked about several possibilities. We checked about several companies that were trying to propose a solution for us, but then we come to know about Inspekt. And it was easy for us to take a decision because not only cover all the possible issues or even improve about learning how the issues could be identified, but for the other hand we had immediately like a close relation, and for us this is very important as well because besides working with a professional company we are still working with people and people that are close to us.
Hello, my name is Roberto Fonte. I am the Inspekt specialist from Valco Melton. Inspekt is a vision system that can inspect the adhesive coating online. It's based on artificial vision technology and deep learning AI. Basically, we can follow the production in real time and we can inspect 100% the production and identify the type of the defects on the web and generate alarms and data for the companies.
As we all can imagine, installation is always a challenge. This project it was even more challenge because the installation it was during COVID, but during that time we were just doing certain type of products that in fact were used for the COVID advertising and so on. But in this case, Valco was very close to us because we used that time to make a fast evolution of the identify of the possible cause of issues. So that was not such a good time for the humankind, but it was somehow a profitable time for us because we could make this upgrade in our facilities. Before Inspekt and after, we reduce the number of complaints in percentile from production from 3 point something up to 0.0 something. So this is the very first and important rate because if you can reduce dramatically the number of incidents to a customer, this is very, very important. But it was not only that. In the not goods, we reduce in some cases 75% of the not goods. But not only that, we were even able to double our productivity in some areas of our factory. So our life after Inspekt, it was definitely much better. So achieve results, it's always good, but of course to achieve them it is necessary to understand all the information that was collected from the inspection. So with the mesh tool it was possible for us to have a common language for the different departments of the company, not only us as a management to see what was happening in line in the factory, but for the quality department, for the production department to understand what was happening, classifying all of these issues and establishing approach how to eliminate them. This is not only good for what we achieve, but this is also good to understand what we need to prepare for the future, not only for the existing products, but even if it will come new projects, they need also a base that gives us the stability for a proper production.
With data generated on the Inspekt, we need to find a way to treat this data and keep the organization informed. And we found an opportunity to develop a mesh. It's a modern web application for production management. It is composed by different models. Planning models is a drag and drop tool that plan efficiency all tasks on the shop floor, production tasks, maintenance tasks, R&D tasks. Quality model allows the quality department to define the receipt and quality parameters from productions and raw materials, and also the operator during the production can check if the production are on the right shape. There is also a special feature for the quality lab inspection that takes samples from productions with the production work orders. We have another model that we call the electronic batch record. That is the main storage from the system, allows the full traceability of the production with automatic data that we collect directly from the machines. That allow also us to understand the state of the machine. We have a performance model that is a model focused on the KPI calculation from the factory or organization. We believe that is a way to align people and have a common language on the companies based on data. One of the main KPI that we are using in our platform is the OEE. In our days, is a standard and is a combination of 3 indicators. Availability, it means measure the planning time versus the machine work hours. Performance, measure the speed production versus machine speed specifications. And the quality, that measure the non-compliance productions. With this information, we can also create an estimation of the cost of the non-quality productions. Also, our platform is ready for third-party platform integration. We have an API that allows us to integrate it like an ERP or a warehouse management system or another external platform.
We are keeping more and more confident with the product, with the improvement that it has been for our factory. And we are already considering for the next project. Everything is not covered yet for the inspection, and the final phase, considering the phase film, it is yet to be developed. So definitely we are going with Valco for this future as well.